That excruciating pain. Talk to me about it.
Talk. Everybody wants to talk. Talk, talk, talk. I'm tired of talking.
I hear you, Thonos. I'm really sorry you're suffering that much. It is awful. I know. I've seen it up close. But this is not it. Suicide is a permanent solution to a temporary problem.
I gave myself 8 years, 6 months and 11 days. And if I wasn't right by the time I turned 25,
Does that sound like a temporary problem to you?
You did well. Thank you.
Is that really how you want to go? Is that how you want your family to remember you?
My family.
A partner then? Friends?
You did well, thank you.
No, please, Astrid! Thonos! I can help you, please. We can still...
We can't. It's not your fault.
There must be something I can do. This can't happen again.
If you want to do something, remember me. Remember me for the totality of who I was, and of who I am. Help others. They may still have a chance, but please, don't come back.